Pimento, allspice, Maggie, lemon pepper, fish fry, jerk seasoning, a little bit of oil, thyme, scallion, garlic, Scotch bonnet pepper or any spicy pepper, onion, tomato, lime, vinegar, butter, and of course your fish. As you can see, guys, my fish is already seasoned, so they're already descaled, washed, and seasoned. So this seasoning has been marinating for over 10 hours now. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna show you. I left one out, so I'm gonna show you how I did this. As you can see, I have all my seasoning already on. Don't worry, guys, I'll have all the measurements in the description box below. What I did after descaling my fish, I went ahead and I washed with my vinegar and my lime. Then I went ahead and I did my powder seasoning, but before I use a knife and I slice into the fish like so. I flip it over and do the same thing. So then I was able to put my powder seasoning right in these little areas that I slice, like so. And of course, in the middle. If you look in closely, you could see I have tomatoes, onion, pepper, garlic, all of that up in there. Then I went ahead and I stuffed it also with some callaloo. If you guys are familiar, those who are familiar with the callaloo, my callaloo is already stripped, washed, and cut up. This is optional for you. So I just took the callaloo along with the seasoning and I just stuff it right in here. At this point, I'm gonna put some butter inside of my fish. So this is the stick butter. Just thin slices. So this is how thin I'm slicing the butter. Each fish will have a thin slice of butter up inside of it. Just like so. Just push it down in there. Shove it down in there. I need to close my fish up, but you notice the stick here, it's too big. So I'm just gonna use a toothpick. I'm just gonna stick it right here. And just try to push it through, just like that. Okay guys, so my fish, they're all ready to go on the grill. But before we go, let me show you something. Look, just look at them. This is what it should look like. Of course, you know, I went ahead and I chopped all my seasoning, my onion and so forth, because that's what is also in the fish, as I said before, and my powder seasoning. I also went ahead and I did my blending mix. So I blend my onion, some of my onion, my tomato, my Scotch bonnet pepper, thyme. So this is what it looks like because I need it to wet my fish with when it's on the grill. If you guys notice also, I did not mention salt because the fish fry that I use has salt in it, so I don't need any salt. But if you guys are not gonna use the fish fry, you're gonna need a little bit of salt, so to your taste. After preheating the grill for 10 minutes, I'm ready to baste it with some oil. Okay guys, dinner is ready. Look at my roast fish stuffed with my callaloo and my seasoning. So I did a little bit of saute of carrots on the side, you could see right here. But look at this. Isn't this lovely, guys? Look at this. So I did 15 minutes on each side. So I give 15 minutes and I wet it down with my blended mix and I flip it for 15 more minutes. So 15 minutes on each side. So it took me 30 minutes and dinner is ready. Look at this. I'm gonna dig in. Awesome. Awesome. Well seasoned. My callaloo inside is well cooked. Love it. Love it. Love it. Try it, guys. Bye. Bye for now. Thanks for watching. For more recipes, click the link over here.